Hey everyone, welcome to Test the Zest. I'm Jerry, and the reason I started this YouTube channel is to bring culinary food and the production side together. And what better way to express this artistic side of myself and maybe a lot of you than on YouTube. What we're doing here is we are bringing food from the chopping block to the dinner plate. Very simple, very easy meals, nothing very challenging here. And if it has to deal with food of any kind, it's coming on this channel. So that you may see some food challenges, you may see some best restaurants around, or maybe a vacation food item that I like to cook on vacation. Whatever it may be, it will be happening on this channel. If you like what you're seeing here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Smash that bell so that you can be notified whenever we have a video coming up. I'm super excited for this channel and where it's going to go, and just the fact that I can come before you guys and express my artistic skills with you guys and express the artism in me. And what we are bringing today is a very simple, easy meal. It is Philly cheesesteaks. That's right, you heard it. You may have seen it on Instagram. If you're following me on Instagram, on Test the Zest is an Instagram page, and you may see that on there. But we are bringing that. I did already start cooking it, and it's almost ready to be there. It's a very simple, easy meal. This one I just wanted to cook it on through so I can show you step by step what I've done. So first off, let's start showing you what we did with the onions. So the onions, they were cooked right here. So I did was I just cooked them a little bit, charcoaled them. I like my onions a little bit extra cooked. Some other people may not, but I really do. What we have here, we have the steak. I put some salt, some pepper on there, cooked it with some more pre-caramelized onions that I cooked earlier. I left some of them in that pan, put some in the steak in there. And then we have hoagie bread, right? So very simple, very easy. Just cut the middle of it. There's a few different styles that people do. Some people cut them wide open like this. I like to keep it a little bit on the sides open. That way it makes it very easy for me to stick my meat in there, and it sits up right. Now, a lot of you may or may not know, I just found out about a year ago, believe it or not, but a lot of you may not know this, but Philly cheesesteaks authentically are not cooked with provolone cheese. Please hear me out. I love it. I think it's fantastic, but it's not authentic. And our goal is for authenticity. So we're actually going to be cooking it with either American cheese, or what I'm going to be doing is Cheez Whiz. That's right, you heard it, Cheez Whiz. I'm super excited for that. It's just going to make it very easy. Just spray it on there, like literally. But without further ado, I'm going to get it ready on the plate, and then I'll bring you all right back to see that. Alright, I didn't want y'all to miss the action of the Cheez Whiz. It's one of my favorite things about this meal. I have made it once with cheese, so I did not want y'all to miss the action of glorious Cheez Whiz. Maybe. Haven't done Cheez Whiz in a while. There it goes. So it's not what it used to be like, obviously. You just coat it nice and easy on there. I love cheese, so I'm going to go a little bit wild on there probably. Doesn't mean that you have to, but again, if you get the good can that doesn't spray out super slow, this could be a really fun meal for your kids, your young kids. They can claim it kind of their own, spray the cheese on there. And what's a better way to have a fun meal with the family? And it's nothing more like having a good hoagie, just a really good hoagie on a lunch or a dinner. And what we also have going on here, I do have some onion rings. Now that was in my air fryer. I highly suggest an air fryer. It's very fast, easy, almost purely no mess involved in it. And what better way to get a nice fry to it, but without all that grease, because that grease is no good, especially nowadays with how everything's being made. But this this should be good. It's really, really hot. That's actually really, really good. Definitely tastes the American. Again, I've only had it once with American cheese. I love the provolone, but I think this is a really great twist, a really fun twist, and it's kind of authentic. Now, I do recommend maybe getting a, maybe not an off-brand kind of cheese whiz so it comes out a little bit foamier, but it's still really, really good. I used to have mine with onions and peppers. I'm a very vegetable-oriented person, so I think that's really, really good. But again, we're trying to go on the authenticity a little bit here, and this is a great way of doing that. Again, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, please hit the like button, share your comments, share what you want to see. Maybe it's I don't know, a dessert or something with baking. I'm not the best baker, but I'll definitely throw it in and try it. But also maybe you really want to see homemade pizza. I don't know, throw in a like. Please tell me what you think of this. Maybe I did it totally wrong. Anybody from Philadelphia area may be able to tell me. Please do. But as I said, please hit the like, the subscribe button, hit the notification so you'll see the next time this airs. And as always, please keep cooking.